Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. It is well in your knowledge that government is devising policy to conduct your examinations in the month of October or November. These examinations shall be online or whatever the policy government has in mind. Better mood is to remain busy with the books, do concentrate on self-study so that you can crack the coming examinations with the difference. And one more deadly thing is there. The deadly virus that is COVID-19 is moving around. By sitting inside our homes, we can defeat the COVID-19 infection as we restrict our movements outside when we remain inside our homes. Today, without use of whiteboard, we are dealing with class 12th political science and topic under discussion is SOC. First of all, you need why these regional organizations are hit. In world, you may find regional organizations like ASEAN is there, European Union is there. So need was also felt to have a South Asian Association, South Asian Countries Association. So finally, on 8th of December 1985, in Dhaka, Bangladesh, SARC was founded. That is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. All the countries falling in South Asia are its members. For example, India is first, Pakistan is there, Nepal is there, it is Maldives is there, it is Bangladesh is there, Sri Lanka is there, and Afghanistan has joined in 2005. The credit for founding this organization goes to Sheikh Ziaur Rahman, late Sheikh Ziaur Rahman, who founded it on 8th of December in 1985. But what was its aim? What was its foremost aim, we may say? The foremost aim is to promote cultural and social development among the member states. So this organization was formed on 8th of December in 1985. It has its objective. The first objective of SOC is to promote the cultural and economic development in the region, that is South Asia region. Second, to improve the quality of the life. Third, to bring the cultural and economic development in the region. Fourth is to settle all the disputes peacefully. And fifth one is to respect each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty. Dear students, these are the five objectives of the SOC. The 20th SARC summit is being held in Pakistan, Islamabad. Nepal and Sri Lanka are the two countries who have agreed upon that it should be the 20th summit of the SARC should be in Pakistan. In Pakistan, Islamabad, that is the capital city of Pakistan. But there are not close relations or there are not good relations between India and Pakistan. Whether it will be held in Pakistan or not, because India is still doubtful for participation of 20th SARC summit in Pakistan. Dear students, these organizations get formed in order to settle all the disputes in the region and to bring cultural and social development in the region, and also respect one another's territorial integrity and sovereignty. No doubt the South Asia region, the countries are member states and it share borders and having some disputes that are border disputes and also the water sharing disputes, and this organization was hit to bring peace and prosperity in the region by solving all the disputes peacefully, and the foremost aim of this was to promote cultural and social development in the region. Dear students, this is all about the SARC and its objectives. But if any sort of a confusion strikes your mind or question strikes your mind, you are free to call me on 7006 671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number 700667, and your query shall be answered within short duration of time. A man from Sri Lanka, his name is Asrala Vikon, is the General Secretary of the SARC. He has assumed charge on 1st of March 2020. This is all about the SARC, and I am advising you before leaving the class, because it is the class through the communication skills of a teacher without use of blackboard, the whiteboard. Do concentrate on self-studies. Do see these things on political science reference books. If any question strikes your mind, you can call me on my number, and I am around the clock available for you. Dear students, it's enough for today. Be blessed. Thanks.